Hi Gabe, it's me, Jacki, your cousin. Okay, so. Gabe, you asked for Hawaiian girls. Here's a Hawaiian girl. She's not dancing, but... Does that count? Maybe? Dancing Hawaiian girls? Okay. Gabe, today we are going to show you around Hawaii. That is what we're doing today. This does have a point. Yay! Okay, specifically we're showing you around Kauai. Hello, we are looking for a waterfall. Do you happen to have directions?
Typhoon Ranch. Should we go ask them where the falls are?
No, we'll just, it's gonna be down the other road. It's as simple as that.
Everything is new again, walking with the permagrin head. So
We're going to see a mountain, a mountain, a mountain.
Cowabunga!
Shaking on the apple tree, ticking off the honeybees, watch them fly. It's just like we never said goodbye.
It's a waterfall!
And you're like the one
Dreams do come true.
shirt that's soiled with dirt, but fits me like
It's so cool. This is like right next to us. Yep.
let you let me down.
Yep. This is so cool. I can't stop talking about this.
You let me down this time. This is my final climb. Time and time and time again.
They look a rock. And people.
My head
Everything
is
you
dizzy
like
from the spin.
One foot at the
Breaking
cherry
up, breaking
place.
down, making up, making out, round and
Let's never go there, so.
this time's different. I can't feel it. We are on our way. I will not let you let me down.
Hi Gabe, I just rewatched your video with Nish. Hi Nish, by the way. Hi Auntie Lorianne as well, who I didn't get a chance to say hi to earlier. About your punishment, Gabe. But about the hint that you gave me in the text earlier, which was a possible ingredient. Because you wanted to make sure that I could eat it. I hate you. Not really. I love you, but I'm gonna hate you during this punishment. But I'll make it fun for myself. Sort of. We'll see. But, smoothie challenge thing. Bye.